When's his nuts gonna grow in?
They have. She said it's laying that way, so they're going in the stomach. It just crashed. I was trying to move him and put him back in the cage, and he just stayed like that.
You know that's gonna be the voice in the photo, right?